one guy was telling us about, it has a certain beer can property. And I thought that was unique. You meet these guys who are actually, they don't want to hear about my science. They don't want to hear about all these key tests they do in the industry. They come up with their own test. And these guys were out drinking, and enjoying a beer after a hard day's work. And they were dropping their beer cans off a platform, and they noticed some of the decking products they were carrying, this was a distributor, they noticed that some of the products, the capstock was cracking apart when the beer can would strike it. But he said, what we noticed with Clubhouse is that we could drop the beer can over and over again. When it hit your deck, it didn't split apart, and the capstock, which is important, maintained adherence to the core. Well, we designed the chemistry to do that. That was not a surprise to me, but it's a great story to tell. And so when you're out with a Clubhouse decking and somebody is throwing beer cans, you can have peace and knowledge of knowing this is going to last. It's going to endure sunlight, and it's going to endure a strike of a beer can.